Hi guys, I'm back. Um, this is the code practice oscillator. I was able to install the other parts and get the resistors, the one type of capacitors, the electrolytic. I was able to put the chip on and the transistor. I'm just about to put the battery connector, the input and speaker connector, and the potentiometer. Yep, and uh, sorry for breaking this into two parts, but run out of space on my camera. Run out of that's why I had to stop early. Yeah, and the potentiometer has a little knob that you can put on. Yeah, and it's a really fun build. With these speaker connections, you had to heat it up a little and let the solder flow. Well, this particular kit doesn't have that many parts. Really easy build. Uh, don't have the battery thing in the key with me at the moment. Uh, so unfortunately, I won't be able to uh, test it on camera. But I'll do another. But I'll do an update. It sometimes like when the solder flows, it usually flows to the other side of the board. You may have to touch it up. Yep, and let me clean this up so you can see it better. You got this really easy circuit, and this is what it would look like when you finish. Uh, I think this is one of the options when you order the kit, like these, these uh, the, these connectors. I hope you like. I hope you like the build. You get this particular kit at NightFire Electronics. I'll put the link in the description. Yeah, I hope you guys like this build. If you want to see more types of builds, please let me know. Uh, like and subscribe. Have a nice day.